Hey guys, how are you today? I don't know about you, but I absolutely love facial serums. I just hate paying the price for them. So I have learned to make them myself. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a vitamin C facial serum. If that's something that you're interested in, stick around, we're going to talk about it. This recipe is a very small recipe. It's only going to last for about a week and a half to 2 weeks. That's if you're putting it on your face, your neck, and the backs of your hands every night. That's what I do. You're going to need vegetable glycerin. You're going to need your vitamin C powder, Amazon, distilled water, a 1/4 teaspoon and a teaspoon, and you're going to need a container to mix it in. You're also going to need either an amber colored bottle or a dark blue bottle. Vitamin C does not like light, so you want a bottle where light is not going to penetrate. So just for this video, I have already added my 4 teaspoons of water to my container, and now we're going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of vitamin C powder. You're going to stir that up. Make sure it's all dissolved. I personally like 2 teaspoons of vegetable glycerin in my serum because I like the fact that it glides a little easier and it is more like a serum consistency, not just water. Stir that up really good. And that doesn't mean that you have to have 2 teaspoons of vegetable glycerin. I just prefer 2 teaspoons. So you can put as much vegetable glycerin in there as you'd like. All right, next we're going to fill our container. Don't mind my poor Frankenstein looking bottle. And that's it. It fills my container up to about right there, which gives me about a week and a half to 2 weeks supply. And I'm sure you're wondering why we have the aluminum foil back here. Because like I said before, vitamin C does not like light. So if you want to try and prolong the life even longer, cover your bottle with aluminum foil and it blocks out all light, which just helps it stay effective longer. So this recipe makes a 5% vitamin C serum. I apply it to my face, neck, and the backs of my hands at night. I do not wear it during the day because vitamin C can make your skin sensitive to sunlight. We don't want that to happen. This recipe calls for 4 teaspoons of distilled water, a 1/4 teaspoon of vitamin C powder, and 2 teaspoons of vegetable glycerin. It should be completely clear. This recipe lasts me about a week and a half to 2 weeks when I apply it to my face, neck, and the backs of my hands. If you notice any discoloration in your serum, discontinue using it. It is starting to go bad and it's losing its efficacy. Guys, just know I'm no doctor, I'm no chemist, and I am definitely no professional serum maker. This is my own personal recipe that I use every night. So please, before you do this and before you start to do anything that you're putting on your face, do your own research and make sure that what you're doing is good for you. All right, guys, if you made it this far in the video, please hit the like button, the subscribe button, and the notification bell. It helps me out immensely. Also, leave me a comment and let me know if you made the serum and if you used the serum, how you liked it. All right, guys, thanks for watching till the end, and until next time, thanks, guys. Bye.